Social Science, Social and Political Life Book, Class 6th, Chapter 7, Urban Administration, Part 1. In this video, we will have a basic idea of the chapter. We will also learn about urban administration, municipal corporation, and ward councillor. So, this chapter starts with a story where Mala and her friends Shankar, Jehangir, and Rehana were playing cricket on the street. Everything was going good. But suddenly, Rihanna hit the ball so hard and so high that the street light broke. Now they're worried what will happen now because last time when they broke Nirmala Mausi's window, they had to spend their pocket money to have it replaced. Would they have to dish out money again from their pockets? But who would they pay for this? To whom did the lights on the streets belong? Who changed them? All of them were very curious to know the answers of their questions, so they went to the Rehana's house. Rehana's mother said, I really don't know these things in great detail, but I do know that it is the municipal corporation of the city that takes care of replacing lights. But you can get the best answer from Yasmin Khala, as she just retired from the municipal corporation. As all of them were very curious, so they ran to Yasmin Khala's house, which was in the same lane. She replied, there is no one person that you can pay the money to. There is a big organization called the Municipal Corporation that takes care of street lights, garbage collection, water supply, keeping the streets and the market clean. Municipal Corporation is also responsible for ensuring that diseases do not break out in the city. It also runs schools, hospitals, and dispensaries, and also makes gardens and maintains them. Municipal corporation and ward councillors. Cities are usually quite large, so the municipal corporation has to make a lot of decisions as well as do a lot of work to keep the city clean. The decisions like where a park or a new hospital should go are usually made by the ward councillors. The city is divided into different wards and ward councillors get elected. The complicated decisions that affect the entire city are taken by the group of councillors who form committees to decide and debate issues. Solving problems and taking decision within a ward is the responsibility of the ward councillor. Well, all of the ward councillors meet and they make budget and the money is spent according to this. The ward councillors try and ensure that the particular demands of their wards are placed before the entire council. These decisions are then implemented by the administrative staff. Urban administration, which is taking care of the cities and towns. Municipal corporation works for bigger cities and municipal council they work for smaller towns. How does the municipal corporation gets its money? But before that, we must know why municipal corporation needs money. As municipal corporation provides basic services to the people. For example, garbage collection, providing clean water, city beautification, that means keeping the streets and the market clean. So there are different ways in which municipal corporation collects its funds for the services that it provides to the people. It is in the form of tax also. Tax is the sum of money that people pay to the government for the services that government provides. It is in the form of property tax, tax on water and other services, tax on education, and entertainment tax. You may have noticed these taxes whenever you pay your electricity bill or water bill. Now let us continue the story. As Yasmin Khala was very happy and she was sharing her experiences of her job with the children, suddenly Shankar asked, but the city is so large, it must take a lot of people to look after it. Does the municipal corporation have a lot of workers? Yasmin Khala replied, yes, the work in the city is divided into different departments. सिटी का वर्क डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स में डिवाइडेड होता है. सो देयर इज़ द वाटर डिपार्टमेंट, द गार्बेज कलेक्शन डिपार्टमेंट, a department to look after gardens, another to look after roads. She also shared that she worked on accounts in the sanitation department. Jehangir asked one more question. Where does the garbage that the municipal corporation collects go to? Yasmin Khala finds the question very interesting and she answered, as you know, you can usually find garbage lying all over the street. Earlier, even our neighborhood used to have garbage lying all over. And if this remains uncollected, it attracts dogs, rats, and flies. Also, people get ill from the smell. At one point, things became so bad that children even stopped playing cricket in the street because their parents were afraid that they did get sick from staying on the streets too long. A community protest. While continuing the story, Yasmin Khala said, the women were very unhappy about the situation and even come to me for advice. I said I could try and speak with some officer in the department, but I wasn't sure how long it would take. Then it was Gangabai who said that it is the ward councillor who we should go to and protest since we are the ones who elected him. She gathered a small group of women and went to ward councillor's house and described the situation in the locality to him. He even promised to went to the commissioner next day. He asked Gangabai to get a petition signed by all the adults in the locality saying that garbage was not being collected. They also took sanitation engineer with them so that he can talk to commissioner and tell the situation. The next morning, a large group of women and the ward councillor and the sanitation engineer went to the municipal corporation office. The commissioner met with this large group and began giving excuses saying that the corporation did not have enough trucks. But Gangabai smartly replied, but you seem to have enough trucks to collect garbage from rich localities? Yes, he said that he would take care of it immediately, and Gangabai threatened that if it was not done in 2 days, a larger group of women would protest in front of the corporation, said Yasmin Khala. So, did the streets get cleaned? Asked Rehana, who never let things remain unfinished. Well, not within 2 days, and then after another larger and more noisy protest, the sanitation service in this locality became more regular. Whoa, this sounds just like a Bollywood film with the happy ending. What has changed since Khala retired? What Yasmin Khala did not mention to the children was that in recent times, in order to save money, the commissioners of several municipalities across the country had hired private contractors to collect and process garbage. इसे हम subcontracting कहते हैं. This means that the work that was earlier being done by government workers is now being done by the private company. These contract workers get paid less and their jobs are temporary. Collecting garbage is also a quite dangerous job, and when they do not take care of themselves, they are injured while walking. Hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.